Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Classic Engineering, their part number 30220. This is their 2 1/8 inch multi-spur bit, and this is going to be used in their lock bore installation kits. This is a unit made of high-speed steel. A multi-spur bit features these cutters around the perimeter, and then the flat cutter, and the tipped point. And that tipped point, I can't see it because of the dipped plastic protecting the sharpened edges, but generally those have a self-feeding sort of point profile to them so that the bit will present itself to the face of the door. The concept of the multi-spur is these teeth are going to score, and this flat end cutter is going to evacuate the material out. I'll tell you, I'm not a fan of multi-spur bits because I don't believe that I've not had luck with them is the bottom line. And while I've never personally had bad luck, I've witnessed multi-spur bits get to the face of the door and just tear the veneer. Like if you're a locksmith and you're doing a deadbolt installation on an open grain type wood like oak or even Luan, you'll see those doors. That multi-spur bit can really just grab and tear. I prefer the carbide tipped version of this material. However, that material is noticeably more expensive. However, I'm of the opinion that if you're going to do a substantial amount of work with a lock drilling installation kit, there's only so many doors that you'll drill with a multi-spur bit. Sharpening these is generally, in my opinion, not nearly as effective as sharpening carbide. I find that after these are sharpened, they don't get a lot of life after the fact. With solid carbide, sharpening that material over a high-speed steel bit like this is substantially going to pay off more in the long run. And my logic is if you're already making the investment in an original Classic Engineering multi-spur bit and you do a lot of work and you've not tried the carbide version, I would very much recommend that you review that if you have the volume. If it's very occasional, you might do a couple a year. I certainly wouldn't make the argument to spend the extra money. But if you're using this kit constantly, I couldn't see using anything but a carbide version of it. So this is a 2 1/8 inch. That's going to give you the 2 1/8 inch crossbore in your door. Overall length of the unit, they've got it at 7 3/4. I'd say that that's fairly accurate, closer to 7 3/8. Length of the shank, which is 1/2 inch by the way, 6 1/4. That ability to put that retainer C-clip over this groove so that when the tool is being pushed through the holder, you have your stop right here. There's a link below this video to a document called Technical Details, and that is certainly just simply it's really installation instructions for the entire kit, but you get the idea of how that bit is used. And if you're purchasing a replacement bit, you probably have already familiarized yourself with the use of the tool. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Classic Engineering products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Classic Engineering 30220 2 1/8 inch high-speed steel multi-spur bit, or any other Classic Engineering product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.